two quotes here, okay? Compressor air descent. It's leaky. Okay. Okay. C156C. Leaky. Then you go down. Okay, so we are going to check here the leaky. This is a test, so let's go. It's okay, the compressor air leak is not linked. Airline are not linked. The intake air pressure, okay, it's not blocked. Let's see what they mean by that. Open component 9A. Leak test between compressor and aromatic valve unit. The compressor is switched on for max 60 seconds. How long supposed to be? How far? Actuation of compressor. It's supposed to be higher. It's supposed to be 14. I believe there is a component. Aromatic compressor has malfunction. Component A91 aromatic compressor has malfunction. Wow. Okay, let me see again. C. This test, leak test. The compressor air line is not linked. The intake air system of the compressor is not blocked. The pressure relief valve is open for a period of 5 seconds. Must build up pressure greater than 9 bar 100 psi within 60 seconds. With the leaky system, the pressure may drop by no more than 2 bar. I continue. Let's see. There's nothing. You see the compressor is on and there is no pressure built. I need to get a good pressure here, at least 9. Okay. There's nothing there. Error code. Okay, let me go to error code. Error code. Let me delete all these codes. Clear it. Nothing I have. Stop monitoring. Version. Code. No memory code. Who is this? Oh, you here with me? You're scaring me. Okay, I did a test now. You see with me.
Yeah.
But it's not like the compressor itself. When we did a test, it's supposed to be 9 bar. It doesn't go between the compressor and the tank.
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you now. The code is gonna be here, but let me show you something. This is full coilless. Is there any movement? No. It doesn't move, right? Nothing move, right? Huh? Okay. It's still running just to see what's going on. But let's see error code. Because the compressors keep going, and nothing is there. I delete all the codes. So I don't want to do any adaptation. I don't have no adaptation for that. Okay. Actual value or actuation. You see the way it works. Okay. There's no code till now. If I'm gonna do level calibration, it's okay, but the problem is the compressor itself. I don't have no air going out. You know, like level sensor has been replaced, control unit was replaced, the vehicle was incorrectly calibrated. Ignition on, the vehicle must be ignition on. Vehicle must be positioned in good specific automatic set. Okay, let me see what's gonna happen. Control unit N51, Airmatic control unit has already been calibrated. If you continue, the calibration setting will be reset and the starting of the calibration will be cancelled. I don't want to do anything. Everything here is good. Okay? No. Okay, now I apart this one, okay? I don't want to do operation time. Here everything is okay. But our problem here with the code.
How long do you have here?
Like 5 minutes.
Huh?
5 minutes. Okay, look here. This is the code I see. When I open it, I'm getting code. He says system is leaky. Okay. So what code I have. That's where I like on those cars. The code I have is that you have leak or the compressor is weak. So now when it start work like this, you know the line where the compressor start working? You start spray it all the way to the reservoir. Where is the reservoir?
Yeah.
Where is the reservoir? Okay, you see this? I have this code. 956C. (956A BC). You see this? This code I get it. This one. Not leak on the reservoir. It says system 956C system compressor air disturbed leaky. This one what I get it.
So leaking?
Leaky, yeah, he said leaky. So let me show you now.
Leaking what? The line? Or...
Yeah, you see now?
No.
Compressor. The compressor is already very hot. But heating of the compressor percentage, 80% is too much. The compressor will possibly be shut off to protect against overheating. Okay, I just wait till the compressor cool down. It's so hot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do like this. But if you try to continue to do the leaky control unit, it say that it must be up to here. But I'm only getting 6. You see now it start working, right? It's supposed to be 9, but it never go over 4.
Why?
Because it's supposed to be leak, or the compressor is no good. Either the compressor is working till
Gonna
burn, no pressure. But he keeps saying that after here,
But the compressor is still good now.
yeah,
No?
because you don't touch it too much, you know.
Yeah.
Just you need to see the pressure. Take it disconnected. Where is the pressure? Now it's gonna, because you see now, that's how it is. And he
Not
tell you,
hold it.
yeah, it doesn't. Holding is not a problem, but the compressor is switched on for max than 60 seconds.
60 seconds?
Yeah, component. You see that it's a cause. Leak test between compressor and Airmatic valve unit. He said that the component A91 Airmatic compressor has a malfunction. The compressor itself is supposed to be dead, or the computer cannot know that there is a leak. So, or it could be the leak. You got it? It could be a leak. No more than that. So you may need to go and look for between the compressor and or your compressor. Why don't get a used one?
Because the guy don't want used one. Say dealer.
Okay, so get him a good one. Is deal expensive?
Yeah.
How much?
750.
Yes, too much. But this is a problem on this car. Now the compressor is stuck. But when I do that, I don't have no. Okay, let me see any code. The compressor already hot. That's why I say the compressor is hot. And then the computer will shut it down. This is a manual N513. Look here. And I have no code till now. Like before you maybe, yes. But right now there is no way to go anyway.
So no code, so just the problem is got a leak somewhere.